Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday, and good morning. We are glad you joined us. Unless you're the Rivian Service Center, in which case we're not glad you joined us. Turn this off. We don't want to talk to you guys. Just kidding. We're having some problems with our Rivian, and they're frustrating me today. Anyhow, welcome to the Latrobe shop. To my right, we've got a Mercedes E300. This one had some PPF done on a couple of panels. I believe it was in an accident. And so, of course, we talk about this a lot. Insurance typically covers PPF and ceramic coating. So make sure your insurance company knows you have that on the car when you get it done. Behind John is Aaron's ZL1. It still hasn't gone home. We just love to look at it. It's got cleaned up after the racetrack now, and it's probably ready to go home. We just haven't made that happen yet. Probably because Aaron's too busy to take it home, which is on the lift right now. Full wrap and ceramic coating for our friends at Swickley Porsche, which is now Swickley Porsche by Ken Ganley. They got bought by Ken Ganley, I want to say a month or so ago. And we work with them. We do all of their PPF and coating work and tint work. And so that's what this one's getting. Full wrap coating, tint. Typically it happens at our Gibsonia shop. They are too busy to handle it. So I went and picked this thing up in the trailer yesterday, and we're doing it here at Latrobe. And to my left is a Tesla Model X. This one's getting some vinyl accents on the pillars as well as the trim pieces. They don't like the gloss look. They prefer satin. And it's getting PPF as well, Aaron? Awesome. It got PPF as well. And in the wash bay, Bryant is currently cleaning up a GLS. This is the big boy of Mercedes SUVs. Very cool car. Belongs to our friend John, who also has a GT3 RS. You know I love those. This one got PPF, and it's getting cleaned up, ready to go home. Every car that we do PPF on gets a wash and an interior courtesy cleanup where we vacuum it, wipe it down so that when you pick it up, it's cleaner than when you dropped it off. Zach's currently jacking up a truck in order to remove the wheels for a ceramic coating. Every coating that we do gets a wheels off package. A lot of shops don't do that. We do. And Terrell's currently cleaning the floor. If I had to guess, tin appointment didn't show up? Not yet. Well, they're about 15 minutes late, so probably not coming. It amazes me how many people confirm an appointment and still sometimes don't show up. That's okay. Outside, we have a new Tacoma here for window tint. It's next up. Beside that is a Durango. It's been prepped. It's going to be ready to go in for coating right after that truck. Beside it, a Raptor R. This one got a full wrap window tint on the fronts and the windshield. Not getting a ceramic coating. This Super Duty got PPF on the hood. Beside that, a Dodge Charger. We did PPF on this a long time ago. I want to say it was in an accident. Something happened that the PPF needed replaced. So we took care of that. Needs a coating as well. That'll be all finished up very soon. Then a Toyota 4Runner. I like what Toyota's doing with their new models. Very aggressive. We did tint and door cup PPF. It's the part, if you don't know what I'm talking about, right behind the door handles. Sorry, it's not on there yet, but it will be. People scratch this very easily. Rings, fingernails, everything scratches that. The door cups stop that problem. And a coating. Beside that's our Mazda CX-30. I'm proud of the fact that we are the only shop around that offers you a free loaner car. If we're working on your car, you don't have to be without your car for days or a week. While we do PPF or coating, you can drive ours around for free. Let's see what's happening at our North Pittsburgh store and South Florida.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Next up for some paint protection film is this Ford Raptor. This is getting a full front clip, the full flares, and an A-pillar and roof kit. Next up, we have a Lucid Air Touring. This got some paint protection film, got a track package, and it is next in line for some window tint. We're going to be doing 20% on the side windows and the back window. Next up, we have a completed job here. This is obviously a stealth wrap on this Model S. We did this vehicle a few years ago, and it had some damage on the back quarter panel and back door, so it's in the shop this week. And we got those panels re-PPF'd and recoated. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this Maserati Gran Turismo. This is in for a full body paint protection film wrap. As you can see, we got a couple windows tinted. We're gonna be completing it by doing the 2 front doors and the back window. And once the PPF is complete, we're gonna be laying a 8-year ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. In the tint bay, we have a BMW X3. This is in for full windshield tint. Not for looks, but for UV and heat protection. We're doing 70% xpel Prime XR Plus on the full shield. Up on the lift, we have an Acura MDX. This is getting some paint protection film on the entire front clip, A-pillars, partial roof, and a wear and tear. Up front, we have a handful of completed vehicles. First up is this 05 SSR. Very, very cool vehicle. It's got a full custom PPF job here, a track package, full front, lower rockers. We previously tinted the side windows, back window, and windshield on this about a month ago. Next up is this Kia Stinger. We did a coating on this vehicle some time ago. I want to say about 5 or 6 years ago. And it's back in for a full polish and recoat. We did an 8-year coating on the entire body. Lastly in the showroom is this GMC Canyon. We redid the hood in 10mm paint protection film. It was done from a previous owner, had some bubbles in it. So we took that off and put a fresh piece on, polished off the entire vehicle, and did an 8-year coating on it. Outside, we got a completed job here. This got paint protection film on the entire front clip, all 4 flares, and the bed sides. Next up, we have our newest delivery here from our friends at Audi Porsche Swickley. This is the 911 Carrera 4 GTS, getting some paint protection film on the entire front and lower sides, and an 8-year ceramic coating on the entire body and the wheels. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
This Defender was previously here for almost a full body paint protection film and ceramic tint. Now it came back for a premium ceramic coating. She's all done and curing, waiting for customer to pick up tomorrow. Here we have this Ferrari F430. This is a 2007 model. And it came in for PPF removal. She had a full front PPF and we removed it all in preparation for the new PPF that will be coming on in the next couple of months after a couple of touch-ups to the car. Here we have a Model 3 that's getting XR Plus tint all around on the sides and back, including the sunroof. This came in through our Tesla program.